Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix Valorant. Your game requires a system restart to play. So let's go quick into the process. First is in the Windows search bar, type Task Manager. Click on that under the best match. We need to completely close Valorant and Riot Client from here. So simply look for Riot Client. Make a right click, select End Task. Then look for the Valorant. Make a right click, select End Task. Okay, so once the Valorant and the Riot client has been completely closed from here, you also have this Vanguard user mode service. Make a right click, select End Task. Once done, close this. And for the next method is we need to go ahead in the Windows search bar, type Services. Click on it under the best match. Now here in the services window, scroll down to the V section and look for the VGC. Once you find VGC, make a right click, select Properties, Startup Type, make sure this is automatic, Service Status, if it has stopped running, click on Start. Then click on Apply and click on OK, then close this. Then locate the Valorant desktop icon, make a right click, select Run as Administrator. Try running the application as an administrator. Now you can do this from here, but you can also click on Show More Options, click on Properties, click on Compatibility tab. Then here you'll find this option, Run this program as an administrator, and disable full screen optimizations. Then you have to click on Apply and click on OK. Then right click on the Start button, select Task Manager, maximize this. Click on Start Up Apps on the left pane. Then you simply look for, so just scroll down. So once you find the vgtray, make a right click, select Enable. And once done, close this. Then type in the Windows search bar app wiz.cpl. Control panel item, click on that. In here, simply search for Vanguard. Click on it. Select Uninstall. Click on Yes. So once uninstalled, then we need to simply reinstall it again. So just simply launch the Valorant game. And here you'll find this button, Install Vanguard. Click on that. And this will reinstall the Riot Vanguard for you. So that's it. If any of the solutions helped in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.